Hello everyone, today we make microwave sponge with calamari. So you can use it in gourmand, you can use it for the salad, garnish for plated entremet or appetizer. It's wonderful as you see. Very easy recipe, we can do all together. Let's do it, bring your pen, note. Calamari microwave sponge is 4 whole egg, 20 gram flour, 12 gram Parmesan cheese, 4 gram calamari ink, 3 gram sugar, 2 gram salt. That's all. Very easy ingredient. 4 eggs, 20 gram of flour, 12 gram Parmesan cheese, 4 gram of sugar, 2 gram of salt, and finally this ink, calamari ink. These 2 buckets, each bucket 2 gram is mean 4 gram ink. You put all, make sure, because it's expensive, all together in high speed for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes mixing high speed, we stop the machine. All mix, and then we put in the spuma. Close spuma. Then
I'm in pastry.
1, 2, 3. Pepsi cup or paper cup. We make third only. Now we put one here, 45 seconds. Now 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. Wow. Now we put in the freezer for 3 minutes. We take from the freezer. Wow. You can see, nice and sexy. Microwave sponge for garlic.